What's going on, YouTube?
Wait,
you want to do what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube, or what's going on?
What's up, YouTube?
Okay, what's up, YouTube? Okay.
All right. What's up, YouTube?
Oh, I forgot to say.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for a very, very special episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today, we are shooting for Father's Day, and that's why I have my daughter here with me.
Hi, I'm Piper, and today we are cleaning these Air
Monarchs.
Air Monarchs.
So these are what I think is like the granddaddy of all dad shoes. And I got to wear them a little bit over this last week and dirty them up. Piper, how do you think I looked in these shoes?
Like an grandpa that has like played bowling for all of his life, and he just is a chill grandpa.
A chill grandpa, bowling for his whole life. So, do you think you'd be embarrassed of me if we went out with these in public?
Kinda.
Yeah.
If they were this dirty.
Okay. Well, we're gonna fix that right now. Why don't we get our cleaning station ready?
Let's go.
All right, Piper, for today's cleaning, we're gonna be using the signature kit, right? So we've got a microfiber towel. We're gonna need that a little bit later.
Yeah.
We got our shoe trees. We're gonna need those soon. We got our laundry bag, which will be the last step that we take. And then we've got all three of our brushes and a cleaning solution. All right. And guys, we're using warm water for today's cleaning because these shoes are super cooked. Oops. Using warm water with a cleaning really helps like loosen that dirt a little bit better. So that's what we're starting off with today. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare one of these shoes with a shoe tree.
And I'm gonna put 2 squirts of the cleaning solution. 1, 2, okay there.
There we go. All right.
Put the
And we got the shoe tree in. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the laces. You're getting off easy. I'm doing all the work now.
Here, I'll help. Ooh, my fingers are getting dusty.
That's gonna happen.
Pull.
1 pull.
2.
All right, there we go.
2 pulls.
Nicely done. So as you guys can see, these things are super dusty and dirty. I think what we're gonna start off with is I'm gonna take the medium bristle brush out, and we're just gonna dry brush some of that dirt off and get us like a nice smooth cleaning surface underneath. It's dust now, but it'd be mud later.
Very dusty, as you can see.
Okay. You see all that dirt right there?
Disgusting.
Yuck. All right. So let's get into it, Pipes. I'm gonna have you start with the soft bristle brush.
Soft bristle brush. Dip it into your solution and start scrubbing.
So I actually went out on the golf course and played around 18 holes with this dad shoe. I feel like I fit in perfectly.
Grass marks.
There's grass marks. We rubbed them in the dirt a little bit in our yard.
My shirt's getting dirty.
We got some mud on it, and really just had a good time kind of dirtying and using this shoe. It's definitely not my personal style, but it is one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever put on my feet. I can understand why Nike has claimed that this is their top-selling shoe of all time, because you know, bowling granddads can all agree it is a cozy shoe. Let's see. Let's grab the microfiber towel.
Microfiber towel.
And just wipe it down.
Okay, wipe the shoe down.
Okay.
All the way. And it's still very dirty.
It is still very dirty. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a once over with the soft bristle brush.
Yeah, there's dust everywhere because the shoe's really dirty.
This is Piper's grand debut on the YouTube channel. So be nice to her in the comments down below. Let us know if you'd like to see her back again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're getting some really good results out of that tongue, which was like almost black before. So let's see. I'll give you the brush back in a second.
Okay.
Because I think we're gonna want to go over everything on the upper with that medium bristle brush.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna use the medium bristle brush to clean it up a little more, get all the stains out.
Now the medium bristle brush is better for that deep cleaning on the uppers, especially when you have an all leather upper like this. You can actually get in there a little bit harder than you would with more delicate materials, so it's a great solution for the uppers and the midsole of this shoe. You're doing a great job, Pipes.
Thanks.
I keep telling her I'm teaching her how to clean shoes so that on Father's Day, I can wake up and my collection will be clean. It's like breakfast in bed for a dad, right? Isn't that what you're gonna do?
You're gonna have to find out. The bubbles are turning all brown. That's kind of disgusting. I'm pretty sure it just flinged everywhere.
Okay, let's see. Why don't we take the microfiber towel back out?
Now we're gonna go in with a microfiber towel. Just wipe away all those bubble stud thingies.
Bubble studs.
And I'm gonna let you take over.
All right, let's see.
Toss that over.
Sometimes it just takes some dad style elbow grease.
Elbow grease is what you need to clean shoes.
All right, guys, so you can see we've definitely done some work on the uppers here. These shoes definitely got dad style dirty. So we're gonna toss them through the wash here in a few minutes and really see like what kind of cleaning we can get done on this shoe. But for now, we're gonna move to the midsole and the outsole using the stiff bristle brush.
Right here.
Yep.
And we're gonna go, try to go as high as I can without getting the leather. You wanna go in there?
Sure.
It's harder to get in the little cracks.
Yep. You want to go in multiple directions just so you can get all those crevices. All right. Let's see.
Let's see.
All right.
All right.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Seriously, what are we doing next? Do you want to tell them?
Next, we are gonna put the shoe in the Reshoevn8r laundry bag.
Oh, how do you do that?
You put it in.
Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah.
All right.
And I'm gonna shut it, and we're gonna go bring it to the laundry.
Not just yet.
Oh.
We are going to do that soon, but we did forget one important step. What do you think it is? Yeah.
Oh. Of course, the shoelaces.
All right. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, of course I know how to do it.
Okay. You've been watching your YouTube videos.
Okay, so you grab your shoelaces, dip it in the solution, give it a nice little bath, swish, 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 swish. Then you take it out. Oh my gosh, you can make a bubble. Ready? Oh, it didn't work.
Johnny's got the touch with those bubbles. Here's what I think we should do.
Wash our hands with it.
Those shoelaces are pretty dirty, so I think we're gonna grab this.
Dusty and crusty.
We're gonna grab this medium bristle brush. We're gonna lay it out flat, kind of like that. And we're gonna just brush them clean.
It's getting whiter by the second.
I would almost think you've done this before. Okay.
Now we have the laces clean and the shoe clean. Now we're gonna put it in the Reshoevn8r laundry bag. So let's just pop it right in there. Now we're gonna shut it all the way. Put the clasp down And there's this little pouch where we put the shoelace. So we're gonna scrunch that up, really teeny, tiny, and pop it right in there.
There you go.
It's not going in there, okay. It's a little slimy, but now we're gonna put this on there and go to the laundry.
Have fun.
Okay, we got the shoe in here. I'm gonna put the Reshoevn8r laundry pod in here. Hook that back up. We're gonna shut this, turn it on, make sure it's at cold and at normal, and we're ready to start this. Dad, stop looking at your phone. We have work to do.
All right.
We just got this out of the wash, set it in the sun. All the green stains are gone, and we have this shoe to show. This shoe got a lot more clean. As you can see,
Check it out. Are you surprised with how clean it got?
I'm so surprised. I thought those green stains were never gonna come out.
I'm
This is
super impressed. This shoe is
pretty.
beat up like a dad spent years wearing it. And this shoe is just ready for a new dad. Or an old dad. A granddad that likes to go bowling.
Yeah.
All right. So, now that you see one dirty and one clean, do you still think this shoe would look good on me? I guess the jury's out on that one. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this special Father's Day edition of Shoe Care Academy. Thank you, Piper, for coming into work and helping me out with this. You did an awesome job. So if you guys liked having Piper in this video, why don't you leave her some love in the comments down below. I also want to announce that this Sunday, on Father's Day, we're going to be running a huge sale on Reshoevn8r.com.
What?
Yep, 25% off all cleaning bundles. So head over there on Sunday and use the code DAD to check out and get that discount.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, turn down those post notifications so you never miss another one of our videos. And until next time, goodbye. Okay, we are done cleaning the shoelaces. Now we're gonna pop this into the microwave. I mean, we're gonna pop this into the, what is it called?
It's a washing machine, silly.
Okay, let me start over.